Hey guys, my name is Ryan and I'm here today to teach you the dance Dynamite by Nova Jones. It's fun, it's great, so let's get into it. The very first step is we're going to stand up really tall and we're going to put two arms out like this. I call this the aeroplane. So we're going to move our hands like this for 4 counts. Really big and really stretch it up. Easy, very good. Our next step, reach up in the sky. We're going to wave over, wave back and point. Nice and easy. Then we're going to step out with our hands open, and when we come back in, we're going to fold our arms and bring our feet together. Then we're going to go to the other side. We're going to step out with our hands open. We're going to go back in, but we're not going to cross our arms. We're going to bring our arms by our side. So I'll do that one more time from the top. We're going to stretch up. We're going to wave, wave, point. We're going to stretch out, cross our arms, go to the other side, stretch out, and arms by your side. Very good. Then we're going to bring 2 arms right out to the front and stretch it all the way around to the side. We're going to go back over to this side then. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to rock for 3 counts. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, then back into the center, arms folded. We're going to rock for another 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Nice and easy. Bring one arm up, look at it. Bring the other hand up, look at it. Now we're going to bring both hands from the back all the way to the front. And the very last step in part 1, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. 3 punches to the ground. So from the top, nice and easy, stretch up. We're going to wave over, point, stretch out, in, stretch out, hands down, stretch all the way out to the front and down. Very good. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, step up, 2, bring your arms all the way to the front, and 1, 2, 3. Very good. So we're going to try that with music and see how we get on. Here we go.
I'm Nova Jones. Do you wanna be my friend? Wanna be part of a gang? Just come and take my hand.